Since both my PLC and IO link are now connected using Profinet or Ethernet, I will now try to read values from my connected sensor. Its addresses are 68 to 72. So starting address is 68. It's a 4-byte address as we had taken. So what I'll do is I'll create a wash table. Just to observe, I don't need to create a program. I can just observe values from a wash table. And my starting address is 68, so IW68. Sensor value. I already had assigned a tag with that name, so it is showing name over here. I'll click on monitor all, and it is showing 61 right now. So if I show you the sensor in video, here's my sensor. As you can see, it is showing out of range. It is now showing something 21, 24, and if I keep going closer, the values are going down. It's around 17 now, and it is showing like that. So maximum range of it is around 200 centimeter, and if I go above that, it shows an error, FAR, like that. So this is further, you can set the modes as well. You can set different set points by clicking on mode and set function on top of the sensor, like that. So my value in TIA Portal, if it's showing 24 over here, in TIA Portal it is around 400, 360 for 27. So in TIA Portal it would show between 50 to 3200, I believe, which you can further scale it down. Right now it is 155, and over there it is 2500. So if I take it further on top, so at some point it goes out of sorry, at some point it goes out of range. We can further use range instructions as well to limit these values. Thank you. Now to scale sensor values, I will go to conversion operation and use normalize block and scale block. For normalize, I'll first convert these values into between 0 to 1 in floating. Let me assign a data type, so this gets normal. This is IW68, my raw sensor value. Integer to real. Here I will assign MD. Let me take MD10. I don't have to give floating values. These are raw digital values, so I don't have to use floating. My minimum and maximum values are 0 to 3200. So what I have done over here, I have taken 0 and 3200 range. I know this is my sensors range. Let me take it 50. That would be better. and IW68 is my draw sensor value, and output goes over here. Let me rename this as sensor norm. Now MT10 and output in MW15. Let me assign a data type. Let me take normal 0 and 200. Yeah, so I believe all's done. So I'm converting the values, sensor raw values, back into the range of 0 to 200 centimeter. So let me take it online. Let me put its network representation to decimal. Okay, let me put it to floating. Let me try this now. So it's 29, I believe, over there, and $32, $29. So there's still a difference. Let's check that. So I have taken this as 0 to 3200, starting from 0. So now my output value is now showing, right? So if I show you guys in the camera as well, it is 34 over here, and in my PLC output it's 33 or 34 over there as well. So this is how you can use scale function to scale IO link sensor values. I believe there is a direct method as well, and we will discuss that later on. Thank you. So I have further taken some addresses over here. As you can see, I had 68 to 72, right? So IW69, IW70, IW71. So if you notice, my sensor, if goes on error, this bit turns 0, and as soon as I get value within range, it gets 1. So you can use the bits and that addresses for diagnostic purposes. Look over here, bit is changing over there as well. IW71, you can use that bit for diagnostic purposes like that. So sometimes my PLC gets in error as well, like it would show error if it gets out of range. So as you can see here, my addresses are from 68 to 72. If I go back to watch table, I had already used IW68. I have taken IW72 in binary. So if I show you the values, if my sensor goes out of range over here like that, it's out of range, so my I72.5 is true. And if it's in range like that, sorry, my I72.7 right now is false. If it comes in range, it's true. So you can use I72.7 for diagnostic purposes like that, and I72.5 is always true because it shows my sensor connectivity to IO link. So if I take it too near, it shows false as well. So whether if I take my sensor too near or too far, so it shows out of range like that. So maximum range is around 200 centimeter, and minimum range, I believe, if it goes under 3, it shows an error. So you can use binary address and then identify which bits are showing the changes. You can evaluate or use like that. Thank you.